Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make garlic potato bites. It's a little bit crispy and crunchy recipe. Only less ingredients are required for this quick recipe. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. Add 1 teaspoon grated ginger. Add 1 teaspoon grated garlic. Saute it for 1 minute. Now add 1 teaspoon red chilli flakes. Saute for another 1 minute. Add 1 cup of water. Heat on high flame for 2 minutes. In a bowl, take 3 boiled potatoes. Peel and grate them. Add 100 grams of rice flour. Cook on medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes until it becomes dry. Remove it into a bowl. Let it get cooled. Add the grated potatoes. Add 2 tablespoons corn flour and 3/4 teaspoons salt for taste. Mix it well. Now we are going to make potato mix balls. Grease your hands with oil. Roll the mix and cut into medium pieces. Then take each pieces and roll for smaller sizes. Cut the roll and make as many number of potato bite balls. Now take 4 tablespoons oil in a pan and heat it. Remember not to make congested. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. Fry the potato balls on high flame for 3 to 4 minutes till it becomes golden color and crispy. And don't stir until it is crispy. Remove it into a serving bowl. Our potato bites are ready to be served. If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.